Hey guys, it's J Jenna Makeup here, and today it's going to be a few pre-recorded slides of the new Beauty Bay Bronze Blush and Glow Face Palette. I'm going to be showing you all about the palette, how to use it, and how to achieve this super cute golden hour. Okay, so now with my base done, I have set it. It is powdered, but it's a little bit flat. So we can see that there's a little bit of contour, there's a little bit of blush, but now we just need to heighten it. So that is where the by Beauty Bay Bronze Blush and Glow Face Palette comes in. As you can see, it has 4 shades in there, the contour, 2 blushes, and a highlighter shade. So let's get into it. I'll be taking the brush BB104 for my contour. It's this angled fluffy brush. I absolutely love it. I'm just going to dab between the 2 shades Spice and Cacao just for my contour. I don't want it to be too light, but I also don't want it to be too dark. I'm absolutely loving the mix of the 2 shades together and just kind of buffing it in. As you can see, I'm kind of doing it in like a sort of swirling motion. And I'm just going in with a smaller brush for my nose contour just to make it extra snatched. And then I'm just going in with the brush BB105 and taking this really rosy shade called Rosewood for my blush. Now, it's one of those blushes where a little goes a long way, so you really don't want to use too much, and you just kind of really want to sort of like pat it on. And for the final part of this golden hour look, we are taking the shade Radiant for our highlighter. I'm just taking this small brush in BB201 to apply. I'm absolutely in love. It's like the perfect golden shade. Of course, you can amp it up. So I just quickly went for an outfit change and finish off the rest of this look. But this is the palette to buy, guys. Bronze, Blush, and Glow. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to leave a link here so that if you want to purchase this beautiful palette, then you will be able to just click the link and grab it for yourself. But yes, this is the finished look. This is how it is. It's stunning, isn't it?